Hi everybody, Judy here. We're talking about mangoes today, and I have a list of tips and ideas for you for using mangoes. Now this is part 2 in a 2-part series on this. If you haven't seen the part 1 video, you don't want to miss it because there's more tips in there. I have a link to that in the description box below, so be sure you check it out. Try adding mango to oatmeal. That would really be good. Drizzle pureed mango over cooked chicken, fish, or pork. Include cubed mango in a fruit or green salad. Add fresh ripe mango to a spinach salad. That sounds really good. Top baked or grilled salmon with mango salsa. If a recipe calls for mango and you don't have any or don't have enough, you could use peaches, nectarines, or papaya instead as substitutes. Diced frozen mango may be substituted in equal portions for fresh diced mango. Now, if you're fortunate enough to have an overabundance of fresh mangoes, maybe you've got some mango trees, and you're not sure what to do with them, freeze the mango cubes themselves. Remove the flesh from the stone, dice the flesh, and remove the cubes from the peel. To help keep the mango cubes from sticking together in the freezer, place the fresh cubes on a tray and put that in the freezer. And when the cubes are frozen, transfer them to an airtight freezer bag or container and store them in the freezer for up to 12 months. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Enjoy those mangoes. Take care and bye for now.